Alright guys, so today we're going to be doing something, not a big block build, kind of sorry about that, but this stuff has to be done. The Explorer needs a fuel pump, and I bought a new toolbox, and I need to get all the stuff out of my old one, move to my new one. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that, and that's going to be this video probably, unless I can squeeze something else into it with a big block build. We'll find out. Alright, so real quick, here's a toolbox tour. So up here at the top I have my impacts. I have all that. I've got batteries over here on the side, screwdrivers. I got pry bars over here, those that will fit. Then in this drawer, I have got all 1/4 inch stuff. And in this drawer, I've got 3/8 stuff. This one over here is all 1/2 inch. Now we get to the interesting stuff. This drawer we've got calipers, tools, special tools, pliers. And there's a ball joint press, some zip ties, some funnels, a breaker bar, the big pry bar, and then we got a torque wrench. Then on the bottom there we've got my ratchet wrench set, a couple jack stands at the back, and what's cool is I've got all my wires running through this little corner right here, so I can have my charger for my batteries and all that, and I can even plug in my camera here. So yeah guys, that's a toolbox tool. Ha! It's a toolbox tool. That's what we're calling it now. Okay guys, so I'm sitting in the Explorer right now. It does run. I can show you. So it runs. But here's the dealio with this thing. I'm gonna cut it back off. What we're doing is we're gonna be selling this thing. First thing that has to happen is we have to fix a couple things. Valve covers on the front leak pretty bad, so we need to fix that. There is a window motor back there that is broken for that window that needs to be fixed. And that is all of the maintenance that we need to do. We're going to pull this radio out because I really like this radio. We're going to pull the speakers out because you saw us put those in, the subs, the amp, and the wiring for all that. We're going to pull all that out. I've got another radio I'm going to put in here whenever I get ready to sell it. And I've got some speakers we're going to put back in the doors. But I'm going to kick this radio because this is a pretty expensive radio I put in here. So, yeah. So, I just wanted to update you guys on what was going on with this thing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. The Explorer, the reason I'm selling it is because, you know, I just kind of want something else. And I think it's time to move on. So, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.